Hi there, it's Krystal Lee Moore-Lucier here, also known as your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore, and I'm here at 14 Todd Place in West Lorne, a little town just 40 minutes west of London on the 401, and it's part of West Elgin. This side split has been owned for the past 42 years by the same owners who have taken really good care of it. Let's go take a look. When you enter the house, on your right is the kitchen, and on your left, you come down a few stairs and you have an awesome rec room with gas fireplace, and it leads onto another rec room, which you can use as a bedroom, an office, a den, really whatever you want. We have another lower level, which is great for storage and has so much possibility. This kitchen is definitely ready to make your very own. It does have pieces from years past, like wallpaper, different colors, and some counters and cupboards that could use some updating, but it's definitely ready to make your own mark. When we go upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. This backyard is awesome. So 14 Todd Place has an irregular lot, which means it has a 75 frontage on the front, but it also opens up to 127 on the back. And it has a detached garage that opens up onto the other side of the road. It's awesome. The backyard is huge, it's quiet, it's private. It's great for having a backyard barbecue, for just relaxing, and it's definitely somewhere that you'd love to look over and have your morning coffee. 14 Todd Place is the perfect place to call home sweet home. With a few personalizations and updates, this house can be exactly what you want it to be. There's so much space, inside and outside. If you want to see the house in person, let me know. Your Home Sweet Home 519 Realtor, Krystal Lee Moore. Have a great day.